Can you see yourself in the 2008 Toyota Tundra? This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 200,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle delivers the style, comfort, and efficiency you need to meet the needs of today's lifestyle. Confidence comes standard when you're behind the wheel, prepared for the journey ahead. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, power passenger seat, heated mirrors, multi-zone AC, power driver seat, rear-wheel drive, stability control, locking limited slip differential, intermittent wipers, pass-through rear seat. Don't miss the opportunity to take this vehicle out for a test drive. Our team will give you an outstanding customer experience. Stop in today.